lovely Sunday morning. This is Anisa, your social dentist, and today I'm back again with today's Sunday tidbit. Well, in today's tidbit, I'm going to reveal the top 3 mistakes which people do on their journey in personal branding. Okay, so what are the top 3 mistakes which people do when they start branding themselves? Mistake number 1 is that they do not walk the talk. Okay, or in other words, they are not practitioners of their craft. So if you are talking about fitness and you yourself are obese, then it somehow will never convince people that you are the go-to person as far as fitness is concerned, right? And maybe dentistry, if you consider, if you are somebody who yourself has severely discolored or malaligned teeth and you haven't done the dentistry and you are someone who's actually recommending smile designing, then well, maybe you need to get that done. Okay, so just trying to see it from the other end of the spectrum. So when really someone is buying into you and when you're trying to brand yourself, you actually, some people are buying not in your product or service, they are buying into you. And before people actually buy into your product or service, they need to buy into you. And they need to, when they buy into you, they need to obviously have the know, like, trust factor. And that will never come unless you walk the talk or you're a practitioner of your craft. And sometimes on your way in personal branding, you might be starting out because nobody starts out as a brand. In that case, it's always better to document your journey rather than proclaiming yourself as a big brand. So do not call yourself a brand before you actually become one. It's better to document the journey and to be a slow and steady practitioner of your craft. Okay, so that was the number 1 mistake which people make, and that is not walking the talk. Now the number 2 mistake which people make is not being consistent. So I think this is something which we all struggle with time and again. We have, all of us, even the biggest guys in the industry I've seen, they all struggle with consistency, but it's all about how fast you can get back on track. And you will need to be very relentless and very consistent. Sometimes what you do might completely not work and it might fail, but you need to keep tweaking and keep changing your course according to what feedback you get from the audience, from the market, or from your patients, and then, you know, change course, but then keep doing at least the thing that you are trying to brand yourself in, and keep your focus. Okay, so that's mistake number 2, is that not being consistent. Now let's go to mistake number 3, and that is actually not being the same person on and off camera. So what I'm trying to project through my videos or through my lives or through my post, if I'm projecting something else and if I'm actually someone else behind the screen, then really personal branding will not work. And so I always say this, fake it till you make it really never works as far as social media and personal branding is concerned. And you need to be the same person that you are in front of and behind that screen that you are talking. So those were my top 3 mistakes which people do in their journey on personal branding. Just to recap this: mistake number 1, they do not walk the talk. Mistake number 2, they are not consistent. Mistake number 3, they are not the same person on and off camera. So hope you enjoyed these 3 mistakes rather, which you should avoid. And this is Dr. Anisa signing off. I will see you next Sunday. Until then, keep at your game, keep chasing your crazy dreams, and most importantly, keep taking action. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.